Today in school late. Okay, no, no, right. Today we'll start a new topic, the fifth chapter in our content, exponents and powers. Okay.
Okay, sir.
All right. So just recollect the formulas here. Exponent or power is a mathematical representation that indicates the number of times that a number is multiplied by itself. That means a number, suppose 2 power 3, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 3 times multiplied. So we are writing 2 power 3. It's nothing but exponential form. So you know these all formulas, a power m into a power n, a power m plus n, a power m by a power n, a power m minus n. Can I just write these formulas on the notebook? Avinash, please write these formulas on the notebook.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
Right. These are not new for you. We learn in 7th class. But the number which is having negative power, that is important for us here. See the last one, a by b power minus n becomes b by a power n. Or else we can learn like this, a power minus n is 1 by a power n, or 1 by a power minus n is a power n. So let's check the questions. Minus 1 power 1, minus 1 power 2, minus 1 power 3. So 100 times we have. Minus 1 power 1, minus 1 power 3, minus 1 power 5. And minus 1 power 2, minus 1 power 4, minus 1 power 6. So these are odd powers. We get minus 1. These are our even powers. We will get plus 1. Okay. So in 100, how many odd numbers will be? How many even numbers will be, Avinash? Avinash.
Yes, sir.
In 100, how many odd will be? How many even will be?
50-50, sir.
Yeah, correct. So you will get minus 50 and plus 50. What is the answer? 0. And the same like this only. 2014 is even number, you will get plus 1. 2015 is odd number, you will get minus 1. Again 0. And a power 0, we always take it as 1. Simplified form. This is 1 plus 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is how much? 3.
3.
3 power 0. 3 power 0 is 1. Okay.
Okay, sir.
No need to simplify all these because we have power 0, that is 1. Which of the following values are equal? See, 1 power 4 is 1, 4 power 0 is 1, 0 power 4, 0. So which are equal here?
1 and 2, sir.
Okay, very good. So next page. Seventh question. The reciprocal of a power n is 1 by a power n or a power minus n. Both are correct. Just now I explained to you this formula. To make the power as positive, write as reciprocal. Okay. Like this. And 9 by 4 power 2. Now, if there any cancellation, we will do. Minus 8 into 8 into 8, 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. And 9 into 9 by 4 into 4. 4 in 8 2 times. 4 in 8 2 times. 3 3 is 9 cancel. What is the remaining number? Minus 8, minus 2 by into 9 also there. By 3, that's all. Okay, again I can cancel here 3 times. Now the answer is 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 8s are how much? 96. Okay, so 3 negatives are there, minus will come. Okay, no? Next, a power m into a power m plus n. Here both our bases are equal. You will get minus 4 power 100 plus 20. So minus 4 power 120. And here m is less than n. M is less than n means this is the small number. So we will write a power n minus m. This is correct. And m is greater than n. This is correct. So first one is big. This will go for this.
Yes.
And this formula a power m, if we get two powers, we will multiply the powers. A power mn is a power mn, and all are correct here. Oh, this is wrong. Both B and C are correct. 2 power 3 power 2, 2 power 9. 2 power 9 might be 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. To do the here 4, 4, 4, 4. 16, 16 the 256. You'll get 512. And this one, you can cancel this 6 and 6. You will get 2 more. This is the answer. That's how next video. Okay, yeah. Now we have to try this sums now. No?
Okay.
Yeah, please try it. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
16, 17, 18, 19. Yes.
Yes.
Savinash over.
Yes, sir.
What is first one answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third one?
B. Yes, sir. Yes.
Next.
Sir, didn't see options.
4 by 9. Minus of is there, no? To change it as plus of, you should take 9 by 4. Okay.
Yes.
So off in the sense root. Okay, no? Off is root only, no? Root 9 by 4, how much? 3
Root
by
9 by. Okay. Yes, sir.
cross multiplication. 12a is equal to 3, a is equal to 3 by 12 is equal to 1 by 4. A value 1 by 4. Okay, please check.
Yes.
Next, check out 20, 21, 22, no?
Yes, sir. Sir, how can I do 20, sir? It's not coming.
I will tell you. X power y is equal to, I will do only. The question is like this. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. X power y, if what? 20.
X power y is equal to
1. Then y is equal to 1. So 1 we can write as
It is not
anything power
equal
0
to
is
0.
1 now. Anything power 0 is 1 now.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Can I write x power 0?
Yes, sir.
Then y is equal to how much?
Y is equal
Y
to,
is
sir.
equal to 0. Okay.
Yes,
No?
sir.
21 you see 64 power minus 2 by 3 into 1 by 4 power minus 3. Make them positive powers. 64 will comes like 1 by 64, 3 by 2, 4 goes like 4 by 1, 3. Now 64 I will write as 2 power 6. And 4 I will write as 2 power 2. Now any cancellation, let us check. 1 by 2 power 6 into 3 by 2 into 2 power 6. Here, this 3 times, you will get 1 by 2 power 9 into 2 power 6. Oh, just subtract in the denominator. 9 minus 6 is how much? 3. 1 by 8 is the answer. 1 by 8. Answer is 1 by 8. Okay. 22nd, A by B whole power x minus 1, B by A power x minus 3. Right. Ask to find x value. Get
Yeah,
any
sir.
idea? If you have any idea, just tell me. No. So we want bases equal. In the left side, suppose a power m is equal to a power n, we get m is equal to n, no? Avinash, okay, no?
Okay.
But here a by b is there, b by a is there. This a by b, I want to change as b by a with the negative power. Like this I will write. Take negative power. Now bases equal, powers are also equal. Minus x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. This minus x that side, minus 3 this side. 1 plus 3 is equal to x plus x. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Please do it once on your book. 21 and 22. Okay, please do it on your book. Okay, no?
Yes, sir.
Please do
Okay,
it.
sir.
Have you copied, Nana?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I am showing some other questions. Please check it out tomorrow or next class. Just tell me.
Okay.
Yes. 24 to 28. Okay. Please check it out. 24 to 28.
Okay, sir.
Next class you show it to me. Last Saturday, did you write the exam? Avinash?
Yes, sir.
You wrote the exam. How many marks you got? Out of
34, sir.
50?
34, sir.
Okay, then. Good, no problem. Did you take a screenshot, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Next, you have chemistry, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Bye.